If you're trying to see if two ratios are equivalent, if you can put them in simplest form and they are equivalent, then you know that they're equivalent. If in their simplest form they are not equivalent, that means that they're not equivalent ratios. So if I look at the first one, which is 5 to 10, if I set up that ratio and I try to put it in simplest form, I can divide them both by 5 and get 1 to 2 as the ratio. And if I do 13 to 26, divide those both by 13, that becomes 1, that becomes 2, and I see I have two matching ratios. So are they equivalent? Yep, because in their simplest form, they show that they have the same ratio. If I look at the next one, 2 to 3 and 3 to 6, when I do 2 to 3, I can see 2 to 3, I was going to put it in simplest form, but it's already 2 to 3, so it's good. 3 to 9, I see that they're both divisible by 3, so in its simplest form, it's 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is not the same as 2 to 3, so no, these are not equivalent. As you look at the bottom two, pause it here, see how you do. If we look at 36 to 60, if I try to put those in simplest form, I see they're both divisible by 6. So that's 6 and 10, and I can divide those by 2. So in simplest form, 36 to 60 is 3 to 5. If I take 6 to 10, divide those even ones, oh, I already see a match up here. 3 and 5. 3 to 5 and 3 to 5, yes, this is a match. As I look at the last one, 81 to 27, if I divide them both by 9, I get 9 and 3. And if I divide those by 3, I get 3 and 1, and that's a ratio of 3 to 1. If I take 15 and 5, and I divide those both by 5, I get a ratio of 3 to 1. These two match. Yes, this is also equivalent.